Hey guys, as you can see, this engine is complete. It didn't take as long as the other one that I made, the scroller. But I'll be the first to admit that it does have quite a few bugs, as you can see there, because you have to be facing the wall in order for it to sense and go through. And yeah, that is quite a big bug, but it's something I can work with. So again, this is another engine that I think I'll be able to convert into something quite good. I mean, obviously, that bug is fixed quite easily. I know how to do it. But that's all I've got time for. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again.